welcome back to Endangered Species Spotlight. This week we are talking about the candy darter. This is the candy darter. It is a type of very small freshwater fish only found in the Kanawha River system in Virginia and West Virginia in the United States. Now, this is kind of an interesting one. They are, as I said, only endemic to a couple small areas within the middle of the central Appalachian Mountains. However, despite that, the population is doing relatively okay enough for them to only be classified as near threatened and not vulnerable or endangered yet, which is a good thing. However, they are still at risk due to a number of different factors, including the reduction of habitat due to human activities such as agriculture and dams. Another threat to the candy darter is something like invasive species such as trout, which will eat the eggs and the adults, as well as things like severely fragmented habitats, meaning the separate populations can't really get to each other, which reduces genetic diversity and reduces the overall health of the species. Despite this, they are still doing relatively okay. They're not at a low enough population to be of super high concern yet. However, the population is still decreasing and are kind of classified as a special concern, meaning they're not like in active danger yet, but they are definitely a species to keep an eye on. Hopefully with proper management of the areas that these guys live in and further monitoring of the populations, these guys will stay not endangered and never become higher than near threatened, hopefully.